Have you ever been frustrated trying to install a zipper slider onto a zipper chain? Sometimes you wish you just had a third hand to make it easier. Well, this tool right here is the solution. If you're making a bunch of projects that you need to add zippers to, the Zipper Jig is a must-have. This sturdy nickel-plated tool holds zipper sliders from sizes 2.5 to 10. It's super easy to use, and it's even easier to set up. All you have to do is clamp it to your table, tighten the lower clamp, and tighten the upper clamp to make sure it stays in place. This tool can accommodate tables up to 2 1/8 inches thick. Next, place your zipper on the jig. With this tool, it doesn't matter if your zipper is facing forward or backward. Then, just line up your zipper teeth and pull it through. I can't tell you how helpful this tool has been when working on projects, and I know it can be helpful for you too. For easier zipper installations, we've linked this tool in the description below. And if you want to see more Sailrite tools and how they can make your life easier, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.